In this video, I want to talk about what I consider a defect in manufacturing on the Suzuki DR650. What you're looking at right here is the weld, where you should have a nut welded on here, and that is where the rear grab handle attaches. And as you can, if you can see in the video, this bracket is just it was a small bracket with a nut. It is basically just tack welded on in two spots. And it's not enough. I think the engineers overlooked the fact that this is going to be where most luggage attaches. And what happens is you attach your luggage rack, as I have a luggage rack here. You attach your luggage rack and then you put luggage on, and the first time you tip over on the left side, well, it might not be the first time, but when you tip over, that luggage, all that force goes to the rack and to this point here, and this just snaps off. I've had 3 DR650s and they've all snapped off. You know, this is a little bit of a heavy bike, and when it goes down, it's a lot of force. That's why I'm running this rack here. This is one of the few racks that I've found that attaches to a different area. It attaches to where the front grab handle attaches. Most do not. Most attach back here. And on the other side, you can see this bracket is very beefy, and it has a long weld across the frame because it holds the muffler. So it's more robust, but this one is not. So if you have luggage on your bike and it's attached here, you may want to check, because what happened to me at least once is it had snapped and I didn't even know it, because a lot of times the luggage will have 2 or 3 points of connection, and this one may just be flopping around and you may not even notice it. But just something to watch out for. If you know a welder, I would you could get that reinforced, because a lot of the tail racks connect to that too. So it's unfortunate that they didn't make that stronger, because the frame it attaches to is very strong, but that weld, not so much. If you find this content useful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.